So this is our 4-foot grow house, 4 feet long, 2'8" at the back there, designed to go against a wall or a sturdy fence. Very compact, but gives you lots of growing space inside, and you've got very easy access and excellent ventilation. Framework itself is architectural aluminium. That's got a 25-year guarantee on it, and it's got stainless steel fixings with it, so they're not going to rust and corrode. And it also means you can take it to bits and take it with you if you move house. Glazing is toughened safety glass. It's 3mm thick, which is the standard glass that was always put into greenhouses. But the toughening process makes it about 7 times stronger than the traditional horticultural glass, and it means that if it does break, it goes into little tiny pieces like a car window. So it's very safe, as well as being very strong. We use glass because glass will not flex like a plastic sheet, which means that when it's very windy, it won't flex and blow out. And when it snows, you can have 2.5 feet of snow on here with no problem at all. But the wonderful thing about glass is it traps the heat. So early in the springtime or late in the autumn, if the sun is on the grow house as it is now, then the heat of the sun is being trapped inside. You put your hand inside and it's lovely and warm in there. And that means the plants are warm enough to grow, because the plants need light, but they also need heat. They won't function, they won't photosynthesize below a certain temperature. So by having a nice warm frame inside, you're extending the growing season at both ends of the year. Access is very easy. You've got these sliding doors. You can slide the front doors, and you can also slide the roof glass. So you've got very good access and very good control of the ventilation. Early in the year, you can have the doors open just an inch or two. Either end, you're still letting the air move through, stopping you getting disease problems and mildew. And then as the season progresses, you can open it up more and more. When you've got the grow house fitted, you've also got 2 shelves in there. They're included as standard. They allow you to put up to 8 seed trays on there. You can have 3 seed trays on the top shelf, the narrower shelf. They go lengthways on there, and then you've also got room on the deeper shelf for 5 seed trays depthways. Those shelves can be adjusted height-wise. You can also remove those shelves. So in the summertime, you could put bush tomatoes in there. You can even grow full-size tomatoes in there if you want to, because you can actually lift the glass out. So you can take the 2 sheets of glass out and let the tomatoes grow out through the top. They're still getting some wind protection, but you're allowing them to grow to full height. But there's so many varieties of bush tomato. I like the bush tomatoes in there. You can also do peppers and chilies in there as well. So early in the year, you'd normally be using it for bringing on your plug plants before they get planted out. Mediterranean crops in the summer. Autumn time, you can do autumn planting. You can start overwintering. And in the winter time, you can still do salad crops if you're not too far north. You can also plant things ready for spring next year. So very versatile little grow house. It doesn't take up a large amount of space, but allows you to store an awful lot inside.